Adam, my friend from Vietnam, who came to visit me to Koh Samui with his girlfriend Kim, and today we are testing out his GoPro 10. This is not setting up the GoPro, but this is setting up different kind of camera for filmmaking, what we would like to do today.
Man, I'm recording you already.
Oh, so you got the first point, yes? Good. And now we will show you who will be quicker with setting up the stabilization.
Are you done already?
So you got another point, yes? And at the same point we can demonstrate you how good is GoPro 10 audio quality, because exactly what you hear now is audio from the GoPro 10, which is Adam is recording, and he's trying to record me setting up the stabilization. And yes, this is one of the biggest advantage of the GoPro 10. It is so compact. It is so compact, and the stabilization is just it's nuts. Really amazing. You can see in this shot while we were driving to this beach how good is the stabilization. For example, you can see some shots from the jungle, from the motorbike. There are no complaints about this point of the GoPro. Oh yes, and I'm still setting this up, but it will be done soon, I promise. Okay, so our both stabilizations are now done. So now it is time for the running shots. I will be running with the Sony a7 III and a Ronin gimbal.
I will be running with GoPro 10.
And then you can compare the results and what you like the most. And but look at this difference. Look at this difference. It's crazy. Okay. Thank you Kim for your cooperation. It's amazing to have more people for the filming. I'm not very used to this because usually I'm all the time filming alone, filming myself and everything, so it's a good point to have friends. What do you like the most about the GoPro?
Oh, for example, you can grab it straight to the sea and do some diving with it.
At the moment you don't need any case for diving into the water, and so let's go into the water. And what's the best part of this water thing is as well, they implement the how is it called? Hydrophobic lens cover.
Yeah, hydrophobic lens cover.
Which means if you will put GoPro into the water and take it out, you don't need to clean the lens anymore from the water.
There are no drops.
No drops from the water. Okay, so this is me testing GoPro into the water to see and to show you how the water will get rid of this of the hydrophobic lens. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. And now you should see me clear as a before, which is absolutely great. And the people who likes the action sport and people who loves to drive the jets, if they will fall into the water, they will definitely appreciate this feature. See you in the next point. So after hydrophobic lens, there is another very great option for the GoPro, and that is a front screen, which means that when you vlog, you can actually see yourself, like me now. I can see Adam and myself on the front of the screen, which is absolutely perfect for people who would like to vlog and people who would like to actually see themselves when they record something. So yes, this is very big huge point for the GoPro 10, and thumbs up for it. Another thing is definitely slow motion. For the slow motion lovers, this camera offers 240 FPS in a 2.7K, and now we are going to demonstrate you some slow motion action. This is the first time I'm using this Ronin S for the vlogging, but anyway, it's something for the shoulders, but still better than to have C200 or Ronin S, what I usually use when I'm filming something. But back to the other point, and now we are going to demonstrate you the difference between, for example, very common lens used for the filmmaking, which is a 24-70. It is a full frame camera where you will see 24mm lens, and we will compare it to GoPro's super view. So let's jump onto the beach. Okay, so now you can see the super view wide angle lens on the GoPro 10, and here you can see the Sony a7 III set to 24mm. Adam, what is your next favorite feature about the GoPro 10?
My next favorite feature is definitely time-lapse and time-lapse. it is so easy to use that you have it straight in the menu. Like you have video here, and here is time lapse, 4K, 10 seconds, widescreen. You have more options. You can choose time warp, video, or night lapse when you want to do some night shots. It's amazing, and it's so fast. You just click it, and you press it, and you record it.
Yeah,
and then what is interesting? Now it's in the time lapse, and then time wrap, and then you can make a real speed here. Click, and now you're recording in real speed, and then you can stop, and it continue again in the time warp.
So these were our 8 practical tips and 8 practical uses and advantages of the GoPro. And if this is somehow forced me to buy it, not really. I prefer different kind of filmmaking, but for the people who like to have a action spot and would like to have a very quick action, just turn on the camera and you go, yeah, GoPro 10 is definitely for you. So Adam, can you record me one more time how I'm doing this?
Sorry man, but I'm running out of the battery.
Oh yes, and that's, here we are. There's a very one big disadvantage of these action cameras, that the battery life is, how long is battery life? I think it depends on the quality.
Yeah, it depends on the quality, maybe 35-40 minutes. So you need at least 2 batteries with you, at least.
Me? I don't need I would need 10 of them probably, but
yes.
Anyway, that's it. I hope so you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. I travel with C200 mainly because of the reason that if I would like to shoot some documentary, this is the best camera for it. This tripod I don't trust it, but okay. The lovers of the slow motion, oh no, we are not talking about slow motion.